Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring a game changer for anyone looking to restore their wheels to pristine condition. Meet the Silver Rim Touch-Up Paint, the best chrome rim repair kit you can find. If you've ever experienced curb rash, scratches, or scuffs on your alloy wheels, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Let's get started. The Silver Rim Touch-Up Paint is designed specifically for repairing curb rashes and scratches on your chrome rims. This quick and easy wheel scratch repair kit not only restores your wheels but also provides a protective coating that helps prevent future damage. It comes in a sleek 0.3 fluid ounces bottle, perfect for those minor touch-ups. The kit includes a precision pen for those small chips and a brush for covering larger areas. This dual-action approach ensures that no matter the size of the damage, you can restore your rims effectively. Using this product is incredibly simple. First, you want to clean the surface of your rim thoroughly. Dust and debris can interfere with adhesion, so make sure it's spotless. After that, shake the bottle for about a minute to mix the contents well. Now, let's test it out. For smaller scratches, the pen works perfectly. Just apply a thin layer over the scratch. For deeper gouges, you'll want to use the brush. Typically, 3 to 5 coats will do the trick, and it only takes about 10 minutes to dry, so you won't be waiting around all day. Look at that, the scratch is already fading away, making it look as good as new. This repair kit is all about saving you time and money. Instead of going to a professional, you can do this yourself at home. Now, let's talk about what makes the Silver Rim Touch-Up Paint a must-have. One of the standout features is its rust-resistant formula. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your rims, especially if you live in an area where winter conditions can lead to corrosion. Whether it's rock chips on your bumper or curb rash on your rims, this kit tackles it all. The versatility of this product is impressive, making it a one-stop solution for your wheel repairs. Another great aspect of the Silver Rim Touch-Up Paint is that it provides professional-looking results without the professional price tag. Many users have reported that their rims look as good as new after using this kit. And if for some reason you're not satisfied with the results, the brand offers a full refund, ensuring your investment is safe. Take a look at these transformations. The before and after speaks volumes about the effectiveness of this product. So, if you're tired of looking at those unsightly scratches and curb rashes on your wheels, the Silver Rim Touch-Up Paint is the solution you've been searching for. It's affordable, easy to use, and delivers outstanding results. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details and to grab your own kit today. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.